grammar. Okay, now we'll start from this page. Future perfect tense. Now future perfect tense. Now the future perfect tense is used to show the completion of an action by a certain future time. Okay, future means what? That which will happen in future. You don't know what will happen, so that is future. The future perfect tense is used to show the completion of an action which will by a certain future time. Okay, now see which will be happening. I shall have finished. I shall have finished my. In this future we will use shall and will. Now see, I shall have finished my homework by evening. She will have cleaned the room before you reach there. Okay, so use the use of shall and will. This is future, so shall and will be there. The structure of this tense is will, shall, have plus V1. You have to add will, shall plus have plus V3 verb. Okay, so it's the future perfect tense now. Use the present perfect, past perfect and future perfect form of the given verb. Now, these three form only you have to use the sentences now. He finished his work before you came. He had finished. Past will be had. He had finished his work before you came. And future perfect will be he will have finished his work by the time it gets dark. Again here present perfect is she had read. She had read the book that you gave her. She had read. This is read and this will become she had read, R-E-E-D, read the book before she returned it. She will have read the whole book before you came back. Okay, so this one you just practice now. See, now next comes present perfect continuous tense. Now the present perfect continuous tense is used when action starts in the past and still continuing. Okay, now action has started in the past but it is still continuing, it is still going on. Now see, have been, there will be have been. Now see have been, has been. They have been learning tense for 1 hour. She has been doing her homework since 1 o'clock. Okay, so there will be have been and has been with ing. So the verb in this tense is has, have, been will be there and V1 plus ing verb. If there is no suggestion of duration from the past, the perfect continuous is used. Now, if there is a relation between past and now, the present perfect continuous tense must be used. Now look at the examples. He is lying on the floor. Now he has been lying there for 3 hours. Before 3 hours, I am writing a letter to my friend. Now I have been writing letters since noon. I have written one letter, past. Now see, we use for plus a length of time. Since, for, when do we use for with a length of time, and since starting point. Okay? When do we use since? This is very now important. Now listen, for a certain period of time. Okay, an hour, 2 days, 3 months, 10 years, a long time. We use for a length of time, for a certain period of time, and since the starting point. Since means here the starting point. When did you start the work? Since 1 o'clock, since Saturday, since April, since 1997, since it was a child. Means only the starting point is here, no ending point. So in that time we'll use since, and for a length of, for a period of time we'll use for. Clear? It's very important, for and since. Now see, past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used for an action that began before some named moment in the past and was still continuing. Now see, it had been raining for 2 hours when I rang you. Now, when I reached home, he had been waiting for me since noon. The structure of this tense is had been plus V1 ing. Now future perfect continuous tense. Now this past perfect and future perfect. Now the future perfect continuous tense is used when an action is to continue till some time in the future. Now see, by 6 o'clock I will have been sitting here. By 6 o'clock I will have been sitting here for 10 hours. The next December he will have been working here for 10 months. The structure of this tense is will, shall plus have been plus V1 ing, verb with ing. Okay, this is future perfect continuous. So for is used for a length of time, starting and end point with it, and it is just a starting point. Since this one is important. So this one finished. This one no need to do. You will do only this one homework. The boys have been playing since. This one you have to do homework. Okay, for today this much. Thank you.